great to just share with you a couple tips on how you can redesign and decorate your master suite so it can feel like that, like a master suite. So when Friday comes around and you're like, darn, what am I gonna do? This is boring. I wish I was at a hotel. I wish I was on vacation. I wish I was somewhere other than home. I want you guys to be home and just love it and feel like, you know what, I want to be here. I could say that before, our bedroom was already beautiful. I can't really complain. However, since I've launched a home decor business and have started to take virtual clients, I'm noticing that I'm giving out advice that I'm not taking myself. One of the biggest things being sunlight. Do you see this huge window behind me? Do you see this? This was being blocked completely by that headboard. It's been like that for almost a year, and we went back and forth about it because our TV, everything has been designed specifically for the TV to be in front of the bed, and the bed was here, which means that the TV is to the right of me. And we were just like, darn, wouldn't it be nice to be able to wake up and see the sun, have the sun beaming in? So finally I convinced my husband, and he was like, all right, if we're gonna do it, let's do it now. And we maneuvered things around, and now I've started decorating, so it's starting to feel really cozy in here. So let's get started with a grand tour of the bedroom. I am absolutely in love with the changes that we've made. It's crazy how just a few changes can make such a big difference. The TV is going to be moving, but look how much more space we have. This is what I just can't believe. I wake up every morning and can't believe this is my bedroom. One thing that I wanted to point out is this tray is so important to me. I think it's such an essential thing to have in a bedroom, because if you have breakfast in bed or if you're doing work at home, you definitely want to make sure you have something on your bed for your phone, your chargers, and all those things. So again, the concept of making our room feel like a 5-star suite was definitely the addition of a desk in the room. Most hotels do have this as a feature and an amenity, and it really does help, because who wants to have to get up and go to an office? We want to be able to roll out of bed and start getting to our emails. One thing that I also feel is just that everything that I need is in one room. I can get my work done, I can relax, I can truly just feel at home and at peace when I'm in this room, and that's the vibe that I'm going for. Since we've been in quarantine, I tell you, we've been spending so much more time together as a family in this room. We're having movie nights, we're cozying up together, and honestly, the gift of comfort is just one of those things that you don't appreciate it until you feel it, and that's why honestly, a lot of times we go on vacation and we're looking for different places to stay because we may not feel that comfort in our own homes. So I want to talk to you a little bit about this window, because this was the whole entire reason we decided to redecorate this room. Prior, the bed was covering the window, so I didn't get a lot of natural lighting. And as I've started talking to virtual clients and e-designing, I've noticed that one of the things I'm always telling them, do not block the sunlight. And so I needed to take my own advice, and I'm so much happier with this. So let's talk about how you can create a 5-star feeling in your own home. One thing I can say is that vibes are everything. So try to think of a good vacation that you went on, a room, a place, somewhere that you've stayed that you just know was in your mind one of the most memorable vacations. When you think about that, what made it so special? What about the room? What about the stay? And try to recreate that on your own. What colors did you see? What did you smell? What kind of paintings were on the wall? What entertainment was available to you? All these things really make a difference. And some of the most memorable vacations and stays that we have had, I've really kind of brought those concepts into our own room and have made it into a space that we really truly are in love with. Once you understand what your inspiration is for the room, now you just start putting the pieces together. Don't skimp on comfort. If purchasing a new mattress or pillows, all those little things are really for your well-being. Forget about how it looks. It's how it makes you feel. And if you focus on that, you'll be great. All right, guys, so I really hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that these tips are really going to inspire you and get you moving things around in your bedroom. Maybe you have to online shop a little bit, or go to your Target, or go to Walmart, which are like the only stores that you can get home decor stuff right now. But make your home something that you love. Whether you're in quarantine or whether it's just a normal day, you should not feel like you need to go on vacation all the time. I cannot wait to just have a glass of wine, sit in my room, binge watch some movies. I'd rather be here than the movies right now. And that's how you should feel in your home. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and check me out every single Friday here on Luxe with Tiffany. See ya.